Well, nearly a dozen current and former employees of the Knox County Sheriff's Office faced a judge this morning. Those 11 men are charged in a theft conspiracy case. 10 News anchor Shay Smith joins us. Shay, you were in the courtroom. The judge said instead of having one trial for all of the defendants, he plans to split their cases.
That's right, Robin. All of the defendants pleaded not guilty today. They were each charged with criminal conspiracy to commit theft of property over $250,000, theft of property over $250,000, and theft of services over $60,000. But many of them and their attorneys were actually surprised by senior judge Don Ash's decision to split up the huge criminal case into smaller groups. That means 2 defendants would face trial. Then 90 days later, 3 more defendants would have their trial, and so on and so forth. Prosecutors told the judge they will notify the court of their preferred pairings for the trial in about 2 weeks. Today, we spoke to attorneys for some of the defendants about their thoughts on the judge's decision to split up the case.
It causes me some concern, but that being said, it looks like we're going to hear all of our motions all at one time and the trials are going to be separated. I think that's going to create a difficulty, particularly with regards to the circumstances associated with alleging a conspiracy. Because, I mean, are you going to have other defendants subpoenaed into a defendant's trial?
A new motion this week calls for dismissing the entire case, arguing it's many years old and as a result, it's unconstitutional. Judge Ash set a motion hearing for August 17th at 9 a.m. And it is worth noting that 2 defendants did not appear in court this morning. David Henderson and Jimmy J.J. Jones were not in court, but their attorneys attended on their behalf. Now, convictions on these charges could bring years behind bars and strip tens of thousands in pension money from those deputies. Our legal analyst says in this case, if it were a marathon, we're only in about mile 2 out of more than 26 miles.
That puts it in perspective for us. All right, Shay, thank you very much.